Ìbà o ìbà, ìbà Olódùmarè, ìbà, ìbà bàbá mi Ọbàtálá, ọba takuntakun nírànjẹ àgbáyé, ìbà, ìbà bàbá mi Ọ̀rúnmìlà, ìbà, ìbà Olókun Sànyà Adé, ìbà, ìbà yèyé mi Ọ̀ṣun, ìbà, ìbà yín ìyá mi ẹlẹ́yẹ, ìyá mòpó, ìbà, ìbà gbogbo òòṣà, ìbà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí bà mí ó ṣe o, èmi ọmọ yín ajé ńlá, ẹ jẹ́ kí bà mí ó ṣe mojúbà o, ìbà. Lónìí, today I want to talk on the ESU. I don't know where people find the idea that ESU was created out of fire or whatever. They are all fictional stories. It's not true. ESU has a father. The name of his father is Elegba. I don't know why people mix ESU and Elegba together. They are different. They are different. Elegba is the father of ESU. Elegba was created by Ọbàtálá. So Ọbàtálá can be the grandfather of ESU. I have written an article on it on www.orisha.com.ng, but I don't want to talk much because I have explained it at length on orisha.com.ng. Ẹ má gbàgbé, my name is Ọdẹ́wọlé Olúṣẹ́gun, ajé ńlá, ajé tó ń gbájé mì. God bless you.